Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni and I am really rapt about being able to come to Toronto in New South Wales to deliver 4 aqua workshops in one day. So we're going to be doing Hydrofabulous, which is all about movement, water and how to create rapport. And there's some partner work in there, which is always gold for when you want to do a masterclass or an event. We're also going to do high and low H2O, which is an interesting format utilising the interval training principles, just a little bit different from what people usually do. And no, it's not Tabata. We're also doing choreographed noodles, which is a whole class with how to use the noodle just for one workout, so you're not changing in and out with other pieces of equipment or no equipment. And then finally, we're going to be doing not just a dumbbell, which is one dumbbell for the entire workout, and it's also shallow. So the whole day is based around shallow-based training. We were going to run a training last year and we cancelled it because we just needed a few more people to come along. So this is our last time. This pool's going under renovations, so it's not happening again for a really, really long time. So I hope that you book in. And remember, there's no Filex Aqua this year, so this is gold, especially if you live in New South Wales, to come along, get your 7 CEC points in one day for a really, really low price. I hope to see you there.